Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from BitGet to your ByBit. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now let's go straight into the tutorial. So step by step I'm going to show you how to do this. So assets on, I want to go ahead and click on assets on BitGet, and from here just choose USDT because you want to go ahead and transfer it. So as you can see, there are trade and transfer buttons at the bottom and also three dots at the in the left corner. So you want to choose those three dots, and from here you want to choose withdraw option and on-chain withdrawal. Now you will see that you have your withdrawal network, which you can change, and withdrawal address, which you need. So you can go ahead and click on choose network, and you will see the fee, which is, for example, on Tron network, it would be just 1 USDT. On BNB Smart Chain would be 0.2, and so on and so forth. So you want to go ahead and choose the best, which fits you the best, basically. So for example, I will choose BNB Smart Chain because it has one of the lowest fees. Now you want to go to your ByBit and go on assets again. You also want to go ahead and click deposit option, the first button, and choose deposit crypto. Now you will need to go ahead and search for USDT. I'm just going to click on it right like so. And as you can see, here's all of those networks. So I'm just going to choose BEP20, BNB Smart Chain, which I chose on BitGet. And you need to do this because the network needs to be the same in order to send money. Otherwise, your funds will be lost. So you want to choose this option. And now you will have your wallet address here and QR code. So you want to copy the address, go back to BitGet. And here on BitGet, you want to go ahead and paste the address here. Now, once you have pasted the address, you enter the withdrawal amount and you just click withdraw. So that's basically it, guys. Make sure to use the same network. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.